A simple circuit is made up of a battery, wires, and a device such as a light bulb. Devices that you can add to an electrical circuit are known as components. There are many different components that can be added to a circuit. One example of a component is a buzzer. This will make a buzzing or beeping noise when electricity passes through it. A motor is another component. This will spin when electricity runs through it. Another well-known component is a switch. A switch creates a gap in the circuit, interrupting the flow of electricity. This means a switch can be used to turn other components on and off. If the switch is open, there is a gap in the circuit, meaning that the other components cannot turn on. If the switch is closed, the circuit is complete, meaning electricity can flow through the entire circuit and the components can turn on.